I am AI Avatar of CA Ratan Mundra. Welcome to this quick guide on understanding the International Financial Services Centers Authorities IFSCA, Anti-Money Laundering, Counter-Terrorist Financing, and Know Your Customer AML/CFT/KYC Guidelines 2022. Whether you're a regulated entity, a financial institution, or just interested in staying compliant, this guide will break it down for you. Let's start with the basics. Who needs to follow these guidelines? The AML, CFT, and KYC guidelines apply to every regulated entity licensed or recognized by the IFSCA. This includes both Indian and international financial entities that operate within the International Financial Services Center IFSC. Next up, let's talk about the key personnel are the designated director and principal officer. These two roles are essential for ensuring compliance. The designated director must head the reporting entity, while the principal officer holds significant authority within the company, independent of the internal audit or business functions. Every regulated entity must have an AML, CFT, and KYC policy approved by the governing body or a designated committee. This policy is crucial to guide the organization in managing risks associated with money laundering and terrorist financing. Importantly, the policy must be continuously updated to stay compliant with new regulations. Regulated entities in the IFSC must register on the Financial Intelligence Unit of India's FIU Ind FINGate portal. This registration is required to meet the reporting obligations under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act and associated guidelines, helping to monitor and prevent suspicious transactions. When onboarding clients, it's important to perform customer due diligence (CDD). This means verifying the identity of your clients and assessing their potential risks. There are several methods available, including face-to-face verification and video-based customer identification process (VCIP), which is an effective way for onboarding NRIs. Now, let's talk about suspicious transaction reports or STRs. If your entity notices a suspicious transaction, it's your responsibility to report it immediately to the FIU Ind. The report must be filed promptly, ensuring that any illegal or unusual transactions are flagged and investigated. Counter-terrorist financing (CTF) is another crucial aspect of the guidelines. If a customer's details match those on designated sanction lists, the entity must act quickly, freezing assets and reporting them to relevant authorities. This helps prevent any funds from being used for terrorist activities. There you have it, a quick overview of the IFSCA, AML, CFT, and KYC guidelines 2022. By following these protocols, regulated entities play a critical role in the global fight against money laundering and terrorism financing. Stay compliant, stay safe. Thank you for listening. Moonsys and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for CES and IFSC excellence, a pioneer in establishing CES and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup operational support and handling. Complaints risk management renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance finance company, foreign university BATF, and ancillary regulations. A&D FinTech, expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF IFSCA comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network, scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.